Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay, or even better, because I do. It was my birthday yesterday and we are actually celebrating it tonight very soon, so I'm gonna make this video pretty quick and short just to show you a couple of things that I purchased recently. I thought you might be all interested, and actually I'm wearing one of these things tonight and I hope it's gonna look great. I'm pairing it with this dress and this beautiful, gorgeous set. Oh no, I don't have a necklace, but I have a bracelet and a ring and a pair of this beautiful, massive earrings. So guys, I'm not doing an unboxing video of the gifts that I received for my birthday. I think I'm gonna do that at the end of summer because a couple of these gifts will arrive later on in time and I don't have them at the moment. So today I just want to share with you some things that I bought for the past month. I'm gonna start with the smallest item, and the very first thing is in the Louis Vuitton bag. Again, I'm gonna share all the prices. I've got the box right here, so I'll just open it, and I have this dust bag. So it's very tiny. Many of you can guess what's inside, and here it is. So this is my new mini pochette in monogram with a little chain. I saw some people actually carry this as a little clutch, so like this, right on their hand. I feel like it's a bit too small and the chain is very short. So inside there is a big pocket, and basically the main reason I purchased this mini pochette is to use with my new square mini flap from Chanel. It is the perfect size. I saw one YouTuber does the same thing and it fits just perfect. The reason I've decided to buy it wasn't just because I saw that one YouTuber does the same thing, but simply because the lambskin inside is so fragile. Like, I don't know, especially with the nails. And when you're looking for something in a bag without looking inside the bag, it's very easy to actually scratch it. So in order to avoid it, I've decided to get mini pochette to put all my essentials inside here and then place it in the bag, which I think is more convenient. And the price for this one was also amazing. Oh, I have a receipt right here. So I'll tell you the price. I got this little cutie for 245 Swiss francs. I think it's a very good thing to have in your collection. It's very durable. The only thing that I'm not sure about is the chain, because I'm afraid it's gonna bother me, but what I think of doing is placing the chain like this to the bottom and then putting it inside the bag, so the bag covers it and it's like down there at the bottom and it's not gonna bother me. I think I'm gonna try that and I'll tell you how I feel about the chain. But in any case, I still think that chain gives it a more elegant look, which is nice. And also I think you can actually put it on a bag separately as a charm. For the moment, yeah, and this was a very good purchase in my opinion. It's very useful for me and for the mini bags that I have, so I just put everything inside, nothing gets lost and the bag doesn't get scratched. That was the item number one. The next thing that I really want to show you is in this huge Valentino bag. The actual item is tiny comparing to the bag, but they didn't have any other bags. Here I've got this box, so it's a pair of shoes, and guys, I must say this is a must-have in every girl's collection, and you'll see why. I'm gonna try not to lose everything and keep everything in the box while showing it to you. Okay, no. I knew this was gonna happen. It happened to me the other time. So inside I have 2 dust bags. So are you ready to see the must-have in every girl's collection? Ta-da! Here I've got Valentino flip-flops or slides, whatever you call them. Okay, so here they are. They're from the new summer 2018 collection because I've never seen this color before. It's a very beautiful sort of pink glitterish color. You can actually see the glitter inside, which I think looks so nice. But these aren't the shoes I'm gonna wear for this dress, although you see the color combination, they can work well together too. I purchased the slides firstly, my mom has the same ones, and I was looking for a pair of summer slides to walk around the beach and maybe use for walking in the evening, but I wasn't sure about which ones I want to get. I've seen the other slides that are like this. It's a new trend. Gucci has them, and a lot of brands, Givenchy, Chanel, Valentino, I think every brand. And I was gonna buy those from Valentino with the studs as well, but at the beginning when I wanted to buy them, they didn't have my size and the color I wanted, which was pinkish beige color. I didn't buy those, and then I asked my mom what she thought about them, and she was like, okay, these are men's shoes. A lady doesn't wear something like this. And she's right. I feel like those kind of slides are just a trend that will pass, as all trends do, but these slides, they're classics, and they will always stay classy and be on trend. I just love them so much. I love the sole, the light pink glitter sole right here, and the Valentino, oops, upside down, the Valentino logo. When I saw them, I wasn't sure, but then when I put them on, they looked so nice. I'm gonna upload all the pictures right here so you can see. I just love the shoes, and they're also inexpensive for brand shoes, but I feel like that's because it's rubber beach slides, and they don't cost a lot to produce. So but I'm gonna tell you the exact price for this one. I bought them in Monaco, so I have the price in euro. The price was 240 euros, which is a very nice price, and in Geneva they cost 290 Swiss francs, which is more expensive, and on top of everything I also got the tax-free for them of 24 euros, which is great. I think I saved up a lot of money simply for buying them on my little vacation instead of buying them in Geneva, and I get to have the tax-free as well. The last thing that I wanted to show you is actually something I'm gonna wear tonight, which is in this box. Guys, it's not a bag, it's a pair of shoes, another pair of shoes. I think shoes is something I love so much. That's just my obsession. I got them when I went shopping in Dior during their sales. They are not on sale because it's a new collection, and I think they've decided to make them a classic model, so they're always gonna be around. They were not on sale, and I'm not sure if they will ever be. I'll just open the box, put everything away, and here I've got when I first saw them, I was like, okay, I went to Dior sales to buy some shoes on sales, but they didn't have anything I liked, so I just went for this. When I saw them, I don't know, my heart stopped for a while, you know? When you see something and you're like, oh, and you're afraid to breathe for the thing not to disappear. That's something I got. So I got myself this gorgeous pumps, heels, ballerinas. I don't know how you call them, to be honest, because they look like flats or ballerinas, but at the same time they have a tiny heel, so whatever you call them, here they are. They have a beautiful Dior written right here. It looks vintage gold, which gives them a very nice vintage vibe, and I love it. So I'll just take all the paper off. Here they are. So pretty, right, guys? They are so pretty, and I also love the little star at the bottom right here. And I love the design. I love everything about the shoes, and I love the tiny heel. I think that's about 2 or 3 centimeters, which is perfect for me, as I never wear heels, and I'm not planning to. So this is the perfect problem solving for me, since I can't wear heels. And I'll tell you the exact color. I don't think whether it's the name of the style or the color name, but it says Baby-D. So I'm really not sure. I think that's the color because I saw a couple of lipsticks and they had similar names to them, so I believe that's the name of the color, Baby-D. The color is basically nude. Very pale, pinkish nude. They're just gorgeous, and I hope they're gonna go well with this dress. But I love them. They were a bit expensive, a little bit more expensive than I would pay for them, but I still did pay the full price because they're beautiful, you know, and sometimes you just have to treat yourself well and buy yourself something that you would appreciate afterwards, you know. So I'll put everything away, and I'm just trying to find the receipt so I can tell you the price. The price of this gorgeous pumps is right here, 850 Swiss francs, which is a lot, as I said before. The only thing that cheers me up is that it's still cheaper than in UK or the US, especially the US, I think, and maybe a little bit cheaper than in France, because when you convert the euro into Swiss francs, sometimes prices may vary. Sometimes it's more expensive, sometimes it's less expensive, so I'm not really sure if I saved any money comparing to France, but I definitely did comparing to the US market and etc. I'm very glad with this buy. I'm very glad with this purchase, and I am so glad with, oh my god, where is it? It's here. With this little purchase. This is it for my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna try and make these videos more often, so once I buy something I'll share it with you. I'll also upload some pictures at the end of the video of what my look looked, basically how I looked in the end, and whether I managed to match my dress with my new shoes. I hope I did. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, put this video a big thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram, BonjourAika, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Already on my way, and I just wanted to quickly show you how the whole outfit turned out to be. As I mentioned, I have this beautiful jewelry that my mother gifted to me, as well as this bracelet and the huge earrings. This is from Pierre Lang, the Austrian jewelry. And so this is my dress and my beautiful, amazing shoes. Here they are. I'll just zoom in a little bit. This is my total complete outfit for tonight, and I'm carrying my Valentino Rockstar bag, which I have since, I don't know, many years, and I just love it. I never get tired of it, and it still is an amazing shape.